Newton's law of cooling. This states that the temperature of the body changes at a rate directly proportional to the difference in temperature between the outside medium and the body itself. Okay? So in accordance with the laws stated above, okay, that is your dt, capital T, over dt, yung time, that's equal to K times your T minus T of S. Okay? Where your T na malaki is the temperature of the body at any time, T. Okay? Your T sub S is the constant temperature ng medium, and your K is the constant of proportionality. Okay? And then, para ma-solve ito, okay? To solve this differential equation, okay? Apply lang tayo ulit ng exponential ulit. Apply tayo ng separation of variables. So we now have, okay, we have dt. So we have dt. Your t, dito na yun sa baba. Baba mo lang dito. Take note that your Ts is a constant. Ts is the constant temperature. Okay? Kaya pwede yan dyan. That's equal to k dt. Okay? And then, that is now, okay, ln of t minus t of t sub s is equal to kt plus c. And then from that one, okay, we apply your exponential. So we now have t minus t sub s is equal to, we have e raised to kt times e raised to c. Therefore, that is equal to, that is now t minus t sub s is equal to c e raised to kt. Kung mapansin nyo, pares lang siya doon sa natin, exponential growth and decay. Okay. And then simplifying this further, so we have t is equal to c e raised to kt, okay, plus your t of s. Okay. So this is our general solution. Okay. This is our general solution. Okay, so let's try to solve example 3.4 on your module for Newton's law of cooling. Okay, so example 3.4, if a thermometer is taken outdoors where the temperature is 5 degrees Celsius from a room in which the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the reading drops 10 degrees Celsius in 1 minute, how long after its removal from the room will the reading be 6 degrees? Okay. After 30 seconds, what will be the thermometer reading? Okay. So first, okay. So we have to apply, okay. Dito tayo manggaling agad. Nasolve na natin yung general solution. Ano yun? May narinig kayo maingay?
Opo, sir.
Saan kaya yun? Ayun, wala na. Okay. Nahanap-hanap ko, wala na rin. Okay. So, we apply this one. Dito tayo manggaling kagad sa general solution. Okay, na-derive na natin siya. So, we now have t is equal to c e raised to kt plus t sub s. Okay. So, from that one, we have t is equal to c e raised to kt plus t of s. T sub s. Okay. So, okay. So, if a thermometer, again, is taken outdoors where the temperature is 5 degrees. Okay. So at your, okay, outside, okay, outdoors, your temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So we have your thermometer from your room, okay. Your thermometer is, we have the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, okay. And then your reading drops 10 degrees Celsius in 1 minute lang, okay. In 1 minute. Okay. And then we are asked how long after its removal from the room will the reading be 6 degrees. Okay? Ayun tanong. So we have two conditions dito. Okay? So yung 5 degrees mo, that is your temperature ng iyong medium or yung temperature sa labas. Temperature sa labas. Okay? So we substitute that. So we have T is equal to C e raised to KT plus your 5. Okay? That's plus 5. Okay? And then from that, okay, we are given, Okay, first condition, okay, you're from the room, okay, your temperature ng thermometer is 20 degrees Celsius. So your T is equal to 20 degrees Celsius, okay, at your initial, T is equal to 0. Kasi yan yung galing sa loob pa, 20 degrees pa siya. Okay. So, applying this to this formula, we now have, substitute natin yan. We substitute that, so we have 20 is equal to C e raised to k times 0 plus 5. Okay? So, alam naman natin na ito is 1. So, we now have C is equal to 20 minus 5, that is 15. So, therefore, we now have T is equal to, we have C e raised to kt. We have determined C is equal to 15 e raised to kt plus 5. And then the second condition, okay, and the reading drops 10 degrees Celsius, okay, in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, okay, so your temperature now drops 10 degrees Celsius. So 20 minus 10, 10 pa rin. Okay. So then your T is, okay, so in 1 minute lang. So your T is 1. And then substitute that to this one, okay. We now have 10 is equal to 15 e raised to k times 1 plus 5. Okay. So we now have 10 minus 5, that is 5. And then 15 tayo dito, divide 15. Okay. That is e raised to k. And then we apply your ln. Okay. We apply your ln. Okay. So we now have ln of 5 over 15, that is equal to k. Or your k is equal to negative 1.0986. Okay? So that's your ln. That's your k. We have negative 1.0986. Okay? And then, this formula now becomes, we have t is equal to 15 e raised to kt. Okay? kt. Your k is negative 1.0986 T plus 5. Okay, so this is now your temperature. Okay, this is your temperature at any time T. Okay, and then ang tanong, okay, how long after its removal from the room will the reading be 6 degrees? Okay, so ang tanong natin, ano yung time na yung temperature mo, yung T mo, will become 6 degrees Celsius. So, ano yung time na yan? Okay? Substitute natin sa T at any time T. Okay? Temperature at any time T. So, we have 6 is equal to 15 e raised to negative 1.0986 T. Okay? Plus 5. Transpose mo yung 5. So, we now have 6 minus 5, that is 1. Is equal to 15 e raised to negative 1.0986 T. Okay. And then from that, we have 1 over 15 is equal to e raised to negative 1.0986 T. Okay, ln. Apply tayo ng ln ulit. So we now have ln. Okay, so we now have negative 1.0986 T is equal to ln of 1 over 15. And then solving for T, that is now ln of 1 over 15 divided by negative 1.0986. Therefore, your T is now equal to, solve natin sa calculator, that is equal to 2.47 minutes. Okay? This is your time. So, 6 degrees Celsius, okay, after 2.47 minutes. Ito na yung temperature, 6 degrees. Okay? And then, okay, ang bilis lumamig yung kape minsan, di ba? Kupitan natin minsan yung mga kape ninyo. Okay? And then, And then ang sunod tanong is after 30 seconds, what will be the thermometer reading? Okay? After 30 seconds. So your time is 30 seconds. Pero take note, okay? Naka-minutes ito yung yung time T natin. So yung 30 seconds, that's equivalent to 0.5 minutes. Okay? And then applying, okay, ito tayo sa formula ng temperature at any time T, that is this one. Okay? We now have T is equal to, that is 15 e raised to negative 1.0986. Okay? And your time T is 0.5. Okay? Solving that, plus 5 pa pala. We have your plus 5. Okay? So solving this one, we now have 13.66 degrees Celsius. So this is your temperature after 0.5 minutes or after 30 seconds.